Welcome to the exciting holidays. Whether you're looking for adventure or just want to relax on January 1st and 2nd, there's a celebration for everyone. Remember to send happy thoughts to those celebrating birthdays or other important events on these special days. New Year's Day. New Year's Day, celebrated on January 1st, marks the beginning of the new year according to the Gregorian calendar. It's a day of celebration, reflection, and setting intentions for the year ahead. Traditionally, New Year's Day is seen as a time for a fresh start, offering an opportunity to leave behind the old and embrace new possibilities. The celebration of New Year's Day varies widely around the world, with different cultures incorporating their own traditions and customs. Common festivities include fireworks, parades, concerts, and gatherings with family and friends. In many places, the night before New Year's Day, known as New Year's Eve, is a time of significant celebration, often involving countdowns to midnight and various festivities to welcome the new year. Apart from celebrations, New Year's Day is also a time for personal reflection and setting resolutions. Many people use the occasion to make resolutions or set goals for personal improvement, such as adopting healthier habits, pursuing new interests, or improving relationships. These resolutions signify the hope and optimism that a new year brings, embodying the desire for positive change and growth. New Year's Day is not only a public holiday in many countries but also a symbol of renewal and hope. It's a day that unites people across the globe, regardless of their differences, in the common pursuit of a hopeful and prosperous future. World Day of Peace. World Day of Peace, also known as the World Peace Day, is observed annually on January 1st. Established by Pope Paul VI in 1968, it is a day dedicated to advocating peace, particularly among nations and peoples. The day is celebrated by the Roman Catholic Church and has also been recognized and respected by various other groups and organizations around the world. Each year, the Pope issues a message for World Day of Peace, addressing global issues and emphasizing the importance of peace. These messages often focus on themes such as social justice, human rights, the need for a global community, and the elimination of poverty and suffering. The themes are chosen to highlight the various dimensions and prerequisites for peace in our world. The World Day of Peace encourages individuals, communities, nations, and leaders to reflect on the ideals of peace and to work actively towards achieving them. It is a day that prompts consideration of the ways in which peace can be fostered through dialogue, reconciliation, and cooperative action. Educational events, prayer services, and public gatherings are common ways that people participate in this day, aiming to spread a message of peace and goodwill. Overall, World Day of Peace is an opportunity for individuals and communities around the globe to come together in a spirit of harmony and commitment to peace, reflecting on the past and looking forward with hope to a future where peace and understanding prevail. National Bloody Mary Day. National Bloody Mary Day is celebrated on January 1st, aligning perfectly with New Year's Day. This day is dedicated to the iconic cocktail known as the Bloody Mary, a popular drink often associated with brunch and believed by many to be a cure for hangovers. The Bloody Mary is a classic cocktail made with a combination of vodka, tomato juice, and various spices and flavorings including Worcestershire sauce, hot sauces, garlic, herbs, horseradish, celery, olives, salt, black pepper, lemon juice, lime juice, and/or celery salt. The drink is known for its complex flavors and its balance of spice, tang, and savoriness. While the exact origin of the Bloody Mary is debated, it's widely believed to have been invented in the early 20th century. One popular account credits Fernand Petit, a bartender at Harry's New York bar in Paris in the 1920s, with creating the original recipe. The drink became particularly popular in the United States and has since evolved into numerous variations, often garnished extravagantly with items like bacon, shrimp, or pickled vegetables. National Bloody Mary Day serves as an opportunity for enthusiasts to enjoy and experiment with this versatile cocktail. The day is not just about enjoying a cocktail but also celebrates the culinary creativity and the enduring appeal of the Bloody Mary, a testament to the cocktail's status as a staple of modern mixology. National Buffet Day. National Buffet Day is celebrated on January 2nd in the United States. This day is dedicated to appreciating the wide variety of foods offered in buffet-style dining, a popular eating arrangement where diners serve themselves from a variety of dishes set out on a table or sideboard. The concept of a buffet originated in Sweden in the 16th century, where it was known as a smorgasbord. This style of eating was later popularized in Europe and eventually made its way to the United States, where it gained widespread popularity for its convenience and the diverse array of food options it offers. National Buffet Day is a celebration of this dining style, known for its ability to cater to a wide range of tastes and preferences. Buffets typically offer an array of dishes, including appetizers, main courses, salads, and desserts, allowing diners to sample a little bit of everything or to fill their plates with their favorite dishes. The day is an opportunity for people to enjoy the experience of a buffet, whether it's at a restaurant, a special event, or a home gathering. Buffet-style dining is particularly popular for large gatherings and celebrations where guests can choose what they like from a vast selection, making it easier to cater to different dietary needs and preferences. Overall, National Buffet Day is a day to indulge in a diverse range of foods and to appreciate the convenience and communal experience that buffet dining offers. Whether it's a lavish spread at a restaurant or a simple buffet at home, this day celebrates the joy of variety and choice in dining. Happy New Year for Cats Day. Happy New Year for Cats Day is celebrated on January 2nd and is a whimsical holiday dedicated to celebrating and pampering our feline friends. This day is an opportunity for cat owners and cat lovers to show extra attention and affection to their cats, acknowledging the joy and companionship these pets bring into our lives. The idea behind Happy New Year for Cats Day is to provide a special occasion for focusing on our cats, much like we do for ourselves on New Year's Day. It's a time to consider the well-being and happiness of our cats, perhaps by giving them new toys, special treats, or extra cuddle time. It also serves as a reminder to ensure that their needs are being met, including health checkups, proper nutrition, and a safe and loving environment. This day can also be seen as a moment to raise awareness about the welfare of cats. It's an opportunity to highlight the importance of responsible pet ownership, including spaying and neutering, regular veterinary care, and providing a stimulating and nurturing environment for cats. National Science Fiction Day. National Science Fiction Day is celebrated on January 2nd in the United States. This date was chosen to correspond with the birthday of famed science fiction writer Isaac Asimov, an icon in the science fiction genre. The day is a celebration of science fiction as a literary genre, as well as its extensions into various forms of media including films, television, art, and games. Science fiction, often abbreviated as sci-fi, is a genre of speculative fiction that typically deals with imaginative and futuristic concepts such as advanced science and technology, space exploration, time travel, parallel universes, and extraterrestrial life. It explores potential consequences of scientific, social, and technological innovations, and has been a way for writers and thinkers to explore and hypothesize about the future in creative ways. National Science Fiction Day is not an official holiday, but it is observed by science fiction fans and enthusiasts across the United States. The day presents an opportunity for fans to celebrate their love for the genre. Activities might include reading favorite sci-fi books, watching science fiction movies or TV shows, participating in discussions about science fiction themes and theories, and attending related events or gatherings. This day also serves as a tribute to the contributions of science fiction authors, filmmakers, and creators who have inspired generations of readers and viewers with their imaginative worlds and narratives. It highlights the impact of science fiction in shaping ideas about the future and its role in inspiring innovations in science and technology. That's it for today. Enjoy celebrating and have a great time making special memories with these wonderful holidays.